simple. Can anyone please respond?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, then this is set 1. Which of the following is incorrect? Algorithms can be represented as
Option 2, ma'am.
syntax, right? Incorrect. So
That
algorithm can be represented as pseudocode. Yes, pseudo conventions are nothing but we can represent an algorithm as a program. Program is the next step of algorithm. Algorithm we can represent as flowchart. So we cannot represent like syntax. So here they have asked you the incorrect option, right? Next, an algorithm is a
Option 2, step-by-step procedure.
step-by-step procedure, right? Next, general criteria of algorithm, at least one quantity produced is. What are the properties of algorithm? Input, output, finiteness, definiteness, and effectiveness. So the general criteria of algorithm, at least one quantity produced is output, right? Produced means which produces the output only. By seeing that word itself, we can give the answer. What is the worst time complexity of quicksort algorithm? Respond. Worst case time complexity of quicksort algorithm.
Option 3, ma'am.
We go off and square. Very good. Next. How many subarrays does the quicksort algorithm divide the array into?
3.
Is it 3 or 2? Subarrays it is asking. Roll number 2, is it 3 or 2?
3, ma'am.
3. What about remaining? See, quicksort algorithm divides the array into only 2 parts, not 3 parts.
Okay,
Only
ma'am.
pivot will divide the given array into 2 parts. So the answer is 2. Why it is 2 means pivot will go to respective position. Before the part is one subarray, after the part is another subarray. We will not consider the pivot as another array. It will divide the given array into 2 subparts. Those 2 subparts only we are considering. How many times we are recursively calling? Only 2 times. 2 times means 2 subarrays only. Am I clear? Next.
Yes, ma'am.
Steps of divide and conquer approach. చెప్పండి క్వశ్చన్ పేపర్ కూడా చెప్పలేరా దానికి కూడా రెస్పాండ్ అవ్వరా స్టెప్స్ ఆఫ్ డివైడ్ అండ్ కాంకర్ అప్రోచ్ those who want response sheets they can please respond. Steps of divide and conquer approach. Roll number 3, Sharath.
I selected option 1.
Option 1, divide, conquer and combine. Very good. Next, the complexity of searching of an element from a set of n elements using binary search algorithm. What is the time complexity? Binary search time complexity. Rule number 2. Log n. We go of log n, right? Very good. Next, the time factor when determining the efficiency of algorithm is measured by. Tell me the answer for this. Efficiency of the algorithm is measured by.
Counting the number of statements.
Not statements, na. Efficiency is measured by key operations. It is option number 2 because statement gives you the constant time complexity that never give you the exact time complexity. Which of the following case does not exist in complexity theory?
average case.
Average case లేదా మనకి. See, we are having the best case, worst case, and average case. All we are having. Only null case we don't have null case to calculate the complexity. So it is null case. Very good, roll number 10. Next. Order of n means computing time is it is linear. Very good. It is linear. Next, the recurrence relation for quick sort. It is option number 2. P of n is equal to 2T n by 2 plus n, because 2 subarrays we are dividing, plus n. For all n elements we are doing the same thing. The concept of order big O is important because it is the upper bound of the growth rate. I already told you big O is for upper bound, big omega is for lower bound, and theta is the average bound, which is average. What is the asymptotic complexity in terms of n? Pick the smallest correct answer. Which one is the smallest one among all?
Log n, ma'am.
Of log n. To sort the list elements using quicksort in ascending order, when it will not take worst case time. Is it random or ascending order or decreasing order or in sorted order? When the elements are in random, it will not be the worst.
Descending order, no, ma'am.
See, you have to read the question. When it will not take worst case. If it is in descending order, it is worst case. I'm asking you the question when it will not take first case. If it is in ascending order, then again it is n square. If it is in decreasing order, then also n square. Sorted order, then also n square. Only when the elements are random, then only it will take because and log in. This point I have stressed in the class also. What is the running time of Sessions matrix multiplication algorithm? What is the answer for this? Sessions matrix multiplication time complexity. '21. Right. We go of n power 2.81. Next. The function f and g are non-negative function. The function f of n is equal to big omega f n only. There exists a positive constant c and n not such that. What is the answer here? When you are having big O, it is greater than. When you are having omega, it is less than. When you are having average bound, you will get two constants, C1 and C2. The complexity of merge sort algorithm. What is the time complexity of merge sort algorithm? 3. Yes, big O of n log n. What is the time complexity of the following snippet? What is the time complexity, ma? It is a nested for loop. Then what is the time complexity of this? Big O of n square. Very good. What is the average complexity of selection sort? For selection sort, it is big O of n square. For the given program for normal multiplication method, what is the answer option number? Can anyone tell me? So number 2, option number?
Yes, ma'am.
Option number? 1, Zij equals to Zij plus Xik into Ykj. Is it clear all of you? Set 1. Still, is anybody having doubt regarding any question or any discrepancy in the marks? Set 1 people. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, then set 2 will discuss. you have any doubt still, please raise your voice. When an algorithm is written in the form of programming language, it becomes a theme. At least you respond.
Yes, ma'am.
What is the answer for this first question?
No, ma'am.
Program, right? The general criteria of algorithm, 0 or more quantities to be externally supplied is. What is the answer? It is input. A function calling itself is known as recursion. Performance-based criteria of an algorithm which has to do with its computing time. Time they have mentioned. So it is time complexity. Big of 1 means computing time is linear. The worst case occurs in quicksort when pivot is the
Median of their.
yes. Advantage of finding maximum and minimum using divide and conquer method instead of using conditional operators to reduce the time complexity. Presence algorithm is a recursive algorithm. The complexity of merge sort algorithm is we go of n log n. Merge sort uses which of the following techniques to implement sorting? Divide and conquer technique. This is, I already told you, when you are having big O, it is less than. What is the time complexity of the following snippet? It is not a nested for loop. Those two for loops are individual, so the time complexity of big O of n only. Upper bound is denoted as big O. What is the recurrence for worst case of quicksort? T of n is equal to T of n minus 1 plus n. Worst case means only one element. Again, we have to, after first pass, we have to calculate n minus 1. Second pass, n minus 2. It will not divide the array into two subparts. The complexity of selection sort algorithm is big O of n square. The space factor when determining the efficiency of algorithm is measured by space factor. Space factor means the counting the maximum memory needed by the algorithm. Next, which of the given options provides the increasing order of asymptotic complexity of functions f1, f2, f3, f4? First, we will write. You generally take this n is equal to either 1 or 2, one example, and you can solve and arrange this. Two main measures for the efficiency of algorithm are time and space complexity. The recurrence relation for binary search, T of n is equal to T of n by 2 plus 1. Only one part will search. How many iterating statements are involved in normal matrix multiplication? 3 iterative statements. That's why the time complexity is big of n cube. To reduce that only, we move on to stress where we can reduce big of n part 2.8, 1.19 we can able to reduce. Is it clear, ma, both the set?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, ma. Still, is anybody having doubt regarding their marks? Please let me know that. No problem, no hesitation. Don't hesitate to ask anything. You just raise your voice. We'll discuss. Any issue?
No
Any
issues,
issue?
ma'am.
Okay. Still, do you want response sheet? Generally, we'll provide the marks. Still, if you want your response sheet, or I'll share that. I did not share all the students' response sheet. If anybody is still facing any issue or do you have any doubt regarding any question, personally you can approach. Okay? Clear all the instructions. Now, what we have seen in the last session is Prim's and Kruskal's algorithm. In this session, we'll discuss about the last topic in module 2, single source shortest path. Listen carefully. If you have any doubt, please raise your voice. One more time, I'm telling you, this is not the way to listen to the class. If you are responding, then only I can understand that you are following or not. At least you respond to my questions, be active in the class. This is not a theory subject. Keep on, I'm telling and listening. This is not the case. This is programming subject. You have to follow, imagine things. If you face any difficulty, then you just raise your voice. Nothing is there. If you simply sitting means I cannot understand. Learn the programming. That is my intention. If you want more number of times explanation, I can explain even 10 times. One single line I can explain 10 times. So be active, be attentive and respond to the class. I don't know what is the issue to respond to the class. I don't understand from your section. Are you behaving only in my class or in the remaining classes also? Are you staying calm? I don't know. Please respond.
Okay, ma'am.
Single source shortest path. Till now we have seen Prim's algorithm, Kruskal's algorithm. Why we need these two algorithms means to calculate the to find the minimum cost spanning tree. Same as like that single source shortest path. I'll give you one generalized example. Suppose I want to move from this Rudraram place to some Kukatpalli. What is the best way I can able to move? What is the shortest distance? What is my source here? Source is always Rudraram only and destination may vary. Suppose now I want to move to some Patancheru. Next day I want to move to the Birambura. Next I want to move to Mia friend in Kukatpalli. Like that. So source is saying from source which one is the shortest path I want to find out. That's why they have given the name as single source shortest path. This algorithm, you may call it as like a Distas algorithm also. Single source shortest path. Here we are using greedy method. I already told you that greedy method either produce the maximum value or minimum value. NASDAQ problem and job sequencing with deadlines. These two problems are giving you the maximum value, that is maximum profit. Minimum cost spanning trees. Minimum cost spanning trees and optimal storage on tape. These two are the minimum value. It is giving you, these two problems are giving you the minimum value. Now single source shortest path is also giving you the shortest path, which is minimum value. Which distance will give you the minimum. Generally, suppose you want to travel from city A to city B. There are four ways to travel from city A to city B. Which way will you choose? The way which is giving you the shortest distance. For example, four ways it is showing you in your Google Maps. First way is 30 kilometers, second way is 20 kilometers, third way is 40, and fourth way is some 35. Then which one we will select? Generally, we follow the 20 kilometers distance. Why we are choosing 20 kilometers means to reach that particular destination, we are having four ways. Among four ways, this particular 20 kilometers distance is giving me the shortest distance that I am picking to reach my destination. That is nothing but the single source shortest path. How we can solve this? How the problem looks like? How we can approach to the? How can we solve the problem? We'll see now. We consider one graph. I'll explain you through whiteboard. Some graph I will consider. Seema, the single source shortest path algorithm I am explaining through greedy method. Same single source algorithm will get in the next chapter also. That is not using greedy method. Here I am using simply the greedy method. Okay. So first I'm starting with 0 at vertex. I'm starting with 0 at vertex. 0 to 1 whose distance is 4. Next 1 to 2 whose distance is 1 to 2 whose distance is 8. Next 2 to 3 whose distance is 7. The distance is 7. Okay. Next 3 to 4 whose distance is 3 to 4, whose distance is 9. Next 0 to 7, distance is 8, and 1 to 7 is also there is an edge, this is equal to 11. 1 to 6, it is 1. 6 to 8, 8 is also there is an edge. And then 7 to 8, 1 is 6. Next 6 to 5, we are having 1. 42, and this is 10, and this is 14, and this is 4. 45 is also there. Okay, ma, assume this is the given graph. Now we are going to solve this graph using which method? Single source shortest path. What is the source? See, here I am simply assuming my source will be equal to 0. What is my source? Source I am assuming as x is equal to 0. Okay. Source I am assuming as x is equal to 0. Can you tell me how many vertices we are having here total? Total how many vertices we are having here? First 0 is the source vertex, so we will not writing that. 1, 2, 3, 4,
8 total.
total 8 vertices.
8, ma'am.
5, 6, 7, 8. Total 9 vertices, that is 0 from 0 to 8. 0 is the source I am considering. Now you tell me what is the distance from 0 to 1? What is the distance
4.
from 4? Next is 0 to 2. Do you have any direct
No.
edge?
No, ma'am.
No, means keep it as
Infinity.
infinity. 0 to 3.
No, no.
No means keep it as infinity. So 0 to 4, no. 0 to 5, no. 0 to 6, no. 0 to 7.
8.
Yes, we have it. The cost is 8. 0 to 8. Do you have any edge? Direct edge?
No edge.
No. Infinity. This is distance from 0. Okay. Now, among this source, which one is the smallest one?
4. 0 to 1.
4 is the smallest. So, I am considering this 4. 4 is the smallest one. So, I am considering this 4. I am highlighting this. I am considering this 4 as the next vertex to visit. So, next vertex to visit means I am considering my next possible vertex is 4. Now, 0 to 1, which is the shortest distance? 4 only, because direct edge we are having. Next is 0 to 2. 0 to 2, already the known vertex is, sorry, here the vertex number we have to write.
Ma'am, there we should write 1 now.
Yes, that's what I'm telling you. Here we have to write it 1. So, via 0 and 1, is there any possibility to reach 2?
No, ma'am.
No?
1 to 1.
Via 1. The source is always 0. Remember that. Single source. Via 1, is there any possibility to reach 0 to 2 via 1? Is there any possibility? Sima, 0 to 2 via 1. Why I have taken via 1? Because now 1 is also. Yes, possible, right? The vertex 1 is now
1 to 2.
1 to 2. But source is always 0, right? So 0 to 2 via 1 we can do.
Yes, ma'am.
4 plus 8 means 12. Wait, 12 or infinity, which one is smaller one?
12.
12. So I'm updating this distance with 12. One more time I'm repeating, ma. Initially only known vertex is 0. So 0 to 2 there is no direct edge. So I have updated it with infinity. But when I know the vertex 1, via vertex 1 I can move to the vertex 2. So what is the cause? 4 to 8. For example, same realistic example I'll give you. Suppose I want to move from this Rudraram to some Kukatpalli. I know the way how to travel from Rudraram to Miyapur only. I know the direct route from Rudraram to Miyapur. Okay. So if I know the direct route from Rudraram to Miyapur means simply I can directly go to that Miyapur. But I don't know how to go from Miyapur to Kukatpalli. There I don't know. So initially I don't know, but in Miyapur, one of my friends came and he know the way to reach to Kukatpalli. Then I can able to do with the help of my friend. Is it not? Did you
Yes,
understand?
ma'am.
Are you following?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Then, so with the help of the first word, I can able to reach from 0 to 2. Initially, I don't know the route. That's why I have given it as infinity. Now, I'm having a help. What is it help? Help is nothing but vertex 1. So, via the vertex 1, I can able to reach to the next vertex, that is 2. So, 8 plus 4, which is 12. Next, is it possible to reach 3?
Ma'am, here 1 to 1, why you have taken as 4?
Where, ma?
Ma'am, here 1 to 1.
1 to 1. Where I have written 1 to 1?
No, ma'am, you have written as 4, no, ma'am.
This one?
Yes, ma'am. We should consider the shortest one and we should write it.
See, ma, first starting source vertex is 0, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, 0 to 1, what is the distance?
4.
That's what I have written here.
Okay.
Okay, 0 to 7, what is the distance?
8.
8. So from 0, I can reach only 1 and 7. Remaining all the vertices, I don't know. No possibility to reach the remaining all vertices. So I kept it as infinity. Is there any
Yes,
doubt
ma'am.
of line?
No doubt, ma'am.
Okay.
The second one, in the second line.
In the second line, I'll tell you. Among all the possible distances, which one is the minimum one? Here,
0 to 1. 4.
4 is the minimum one. Who is giving you 4? 0 to
0 to 1.
So now I'm making my first vertex as known vertex. Next I'm taking the help of 1.
Okay, ma'am.
Seema, among all the possible distances, consider the minimum cost.
Shortest one. Yes, ma'am.
Which is giving you the shortest distance among
0 to 1.
1
0
is
to 1.
the shortest distance. That's why now I'm making my known vertex as 1. So from source, that is from 0, with the help of 1, how many vertices you can able to reach, you have to update that in your second step. Got it?
Yes, ma'am.
0 to 3, is there any possibility to reach?
No, ma'am.
We don't know the distance. 0 to 4. Where is 4? 4 is here. No possibility, right? 0 to 5.
No, ma'am.
No. 0 to 6.
No, ma'am.
0 to
0 to 7. Next.
possible?
0 to 7. 8.
0 to 7, already 8. Via 1 also there is a possibility, but 4 plus 11, which is 15. But 8 is the lesser one, so we can directly write it as 8 only. Am I clear, ma?
Yes, ma'am.
0 to 8 is also no possibility to reach. Now, in this second line, which one is giving you the minimum cost? 4 part is over. 4 is already known. Don't consider that. This part is already over. Next.
0 to 7.
Huh?
0 to 7 is the shortest one. Next. Minimum.
So you update your known vertex as 7. Now how many vertices are known? 0 is the source. 1 and 7 are known vertices. Right? Is it clear? Are you following?
Yes, ma'am.
Now 0 to 1, it is already 4. Next is 0 to 2. Any other possibility with less cost? No, this is the only
No possible. Only one.
Well, next 0 to 3, is there any possibility?
No, ma'am.
No. 0 to 4, no. 0 to 5, no. 0 to 6,
No, ma'am.
No? Now 7 is also known, right?
Yes, ma'am. 0, 7,
Possibility, right? What is the cost? 8 plus 1
15,
is 9. Another possibility is 4 plus 11 is 1.
9, 9.
So 9 is the minimum one. So we'll replace this with 9. 0 to 7 it is 8 already we have considered. So next 0 to 8 via 1 and 7, is there any possibility? Please check.
Yes, ma'am. 15 total sum.
What is
0 to 7, 7 to 8.
15 or 4 plus 11 plus 7, but 8 plus 7 will give you the minimum cost. So I'm making this as 15. Now in the third row, which one will you consider as the minimum one?
0 to 6.
0 to 6. That is 9. So already,
Ma'am, topper, ma'am, topper.
huh? These three are now known vertices. So 0 to 6. Next I am considering. Now how many vertices are known other than source? 1, 7.
3.
So 0 to 1 is, which is 4 only. Next is 0 to 2. Is there any other possibility? No, it is only 12. Next 0 to 3. 0 to 3. No possibility, right? 0 to 4. No. 0 to 5. 0 to 5. Is there any possibility? Please
No,
respond.
ma'am.
No. Once again you check 0, 7, 6 are known, right?
0 to 5. Yes, ma'am.
What is the answer?
11.
Very good. Next 9 is already visited. 8 is also visited. Next 0 to 8. Is there any other possibility? 0 to 8 other than 15. See here observe 8. 8 plus 1 is 9. 9 plus 6 is again via 6 also it will give you the same, which is 15 only. I'm updating this with 15. Now which one will you consider other than 1, 6, 7? Which one will you consider? Remaining all, which one will you consider?
0 to 5.
0 to 5. Very good. 0 to 5. Now my known vertex is 5. Okay. Now 0 to 1, which is 4 only. Next is 0 to 2. 0 to 2 via 176. Is there any minimum cost? No. No means it is 12 only. Next is 0 to 3. Is there any possibility via 5? Observe carefully and tell me the answer. Now 0, 7, 6, 5 are known vertices. Is there any possibility to reach 3? Here you can check the known vertices now. Is there any possibility to reach 3? Any one of you respond. See, 0, 7, 6, 5. Via 5 we can reach to 3, no? So what is the answer? 8 plus 1, 9, 9 plus 2, 11, 11 plus 14. What is the answer? 25. Next is 0 to 4. Yes, we can able to reach via 7, 6, 5. So 8 plus 1, 9, 9 plus 2 is 11, 11 plus 10 is 21. Already 11 is visited, 9 is visited, 8 is visited, and it is 15. Now what are visited already? 1 is visited, next 11 is visited, 9 is visited, and 8 is also visited. Now next which one will you consider? Next which one will you consider?
12.
Please respond. Yes, 12, right? So we will consider the next vertex as 12 means what is the corresponding vertex?
0 to 2.
0 to 2. Now we are considering 2. Okay, this is 2. So 0 to 1 there is no change. 0 to 2 there is no change. Now 0 to 3, is there any cost which is less than 25 possible? We'll check now. Via 2 possibility is there to reach 3. Via 2 what is the distance we'll get? 4 plus 8 which is 12. 12 plus 7 19. Which one is greater? 25 or 19?
25 is greater, 19 is minimum. Low.
Getting via the vertex number 2, right? So 4 plus 8 is 12, 12 plus 7 is 19. Can I write it as 19 because shortest distance we are getting no via the vertex 2.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now 0 to 4, is there any other possibility whose path is giving less than 21, which is 4 plus 8, which is 12, 12 plus 7, which is 19, 19 plus 9, 28. So it is giving me the greatest score. Now we'll check another way. 4 plus 8, 12, 12 plus 4, which is 16, 16 plus 10, 26. So 21 is the lesser one. So I'm writing it as 21. 11 already listed, 9 already listed, 8 already listed. It is the 15 already we have. No, we'll check now. 4 plus 8, which is 12. Via 2. Via 2 we can reach 8, right? 12 plus 2, which is 14. Will you write 15 or 14 now? Is it 15 or 14?
14.
14 we can update. Okay, now already 1 is known, 2 is known, 6 is known, 5 is known, 6 is known, 7 is also known. Among this, which vertex will you consider? Which vertex is giving you the minimum cost?
0 to 8.
0 to. So next I'm making my known vertex as 8. So I'm updating. 0 to 1, which is 4, it is 12. 0 to 3, via 8, is there any possibility with less cost? Via 8, there is no edge, right? So I'm updating it as 19 only. Okay. Next, 4, is there any possibility? Via 8. 4 plus 8, 12, 12 plus 2, 14, 14 plus 6, 20, 20 plus 2, 22, 22 plus 10, 36. So 21 is the minimum. So I'm writing that. Next, 11, 9, 8 and 14. Now, the known vertices are 4 is known vertex, that is 1 is known vertex, 2 is known vertex, 11, cos 11, cos 9, cos 8, cos 14, all are known. Next, which one will you consider?
0 to 3.
0 to, next I am making this as my known. So 0 to 3. 0 to 3 means already these are not changing. 4, 12, 19 and 21. Is there any possibility to reach via the vertex 3 with less distance? Check. 14 plus 4 plus 8, 12, 12 plus 7, 19, 19 plus 9, which is 28. So via 3 it is 28. So 21 is the minimum one. 21, 11, 9, 8, 14. Already we have listed all the vertices other than 4. So next we will consider 4. So what is the shortest path now? 0, 1. Next 0, 1, 7 to reach 7. Next 0, 1, 7, 6 to reach 6. 0, 1, 7, 6, 5 to reach 5. Next 0, 1, 7, 6, 5, 2. Next known vertex, what we made known vertex 6, 5, 2. Next 0, 1, 7, 6, 5, 2, 8, 3. Next 0, 1, 7, 6, 5, 2, 8, 3, 4. Next the final path. What is the final path? We have listed 0. That is source only. Next first we have listed 1. Next 7, 6, 5, 2, 8, 3. This is the final one. This is the final path wave. 0, 1, 7, 6, 5, 2, 8, 3. One more time I'm writing here. 0, 0 to 1, 0 to 1, 1 to 7, 7 to 6 to 5, 5 to 2, 2 to 8, 8 to 3, 3 to. Am I clear, shortest path to reach from source to destination. Destination is here source. 0, 1, 7, 6. Right. If you want to, I can draw on this. 0, 2, 1, 1, 2, 7, 7, 2, 6, 6, 2, 5, 5, 2, 2, and 2, 2, 8, and then 3, and then 4. Okay. What is the cost we will get? 4 plus 11 is 15, 15 plus 1, 16, 16 plus 2, 18, 18 plus 4, 18 plus 4, 22, 22 plus 2, 24, 24 plus 7, 31, and 31 plus 9, the total cost. But they never ask the cost. We have to give the shortest path only to reach from single source to all the vertices from 0 to 1, from 0, 1, 7. See, if you observe this, at each and every step, always the source is 0 only. That's why this is called as single source shortest. Am I clear, ma? All of you, say yes or no. Is it clear? 31.
Yes, ma'am.
Row number 2. Row number 2. Row number 3. Still, is anybody having doubt, ma'am? If those who are having doubts, they can stay, and remaining people can leave the session. Hello.